Hey guys, it's another video here today. I'm going to be working on the 2012 Toyota Camry SE. If you recall my previous videos, we did the headlights and tail lights on the back over there. What we're going to be doing today is changing out the LED lights that are inside, anywhere from the map lights to dome lights. Did it a while ago, and unfortunately it is now becoming more and more of an issue. It's like flickering and things of that nature where it's not holding up to what it was. So all I did was actually go to eBay, picked up this set. So basically the entire kit is given to you for the entire car. So join me and I'll use this little tool that they provide too, and we'll start with the top map lights. So we're going to start on these two right here. I'm going to go ahead and take this tool, push down a little bit here. There's a clip right there, and then same thing on the other side. Same thing, once you get your hand in there, you can pull off. I'll go ahead and pull that out. Lights. Plug them right in. There we go. They do have to go in a specific way, so just in case you put them in wrong the first time, no big deal. Again, just pull it right out and get ready to put the next one in. All I'm doing is fitting into the groove where this originally was. It was on this side right there. Once it gets in that little slot where it belongs, I'm going to go ahead and clip it in, clip it in. So you get that little notch right in there. Make sure it fits, and again you just clip it and clip it. There you go. And they work. Alright, next one we're working on. Again, I'm on the driver's side. Just open the door. The bottom one. Go ahead and go underneath down here. Just pry it in there. There we go. Nice. Alright, so when you pop this off, you just have to push your finger down into this groove right here. Yep. And then you pull out the light. So now that I got the light bulb out, I'm just gonna get this piece, fit it in the slot, which something like that. And then before you put that cap back on, just test it, make sure, oh, there it is, yep, it works. Hopefully snaps right back on with no issue. There you go. Clipped it back on. Looks good. In position. Throw it right back in its slot. And there's a little lever right here which is clips. And check that out. That part's done. So now we do the same thing for the passenger side over here. What I found too is that this tool is great for like the interior where it's like soft against the felt or whatnot, but when you try to get into these hard plastic areas over here, for some reason it doesn't work the best. All I'm going to do is just use a flathead screwdriver because it just works better. Okay, same concept. Pull this out. There we go. There we go. Get this guy out again. There we go. Get a new one of lights. Put it in there. Let's see if this works. Nope, got it in backwards. No big deal. Pull it right out. Pop it right back in. Should work now. Perfect. Go ahead and get this cap back on. There we go. Just snaps right back into place. Pop it right back in. Clip it on. So now we're in the back of the car. Pull down. See how it popped right out? I'm just going to pull down a little slightly so I make sure I don't break anything from this one right here. There we go. That's one. Just keep them on so it's a little easier to see. There we go. down slightly again. There you go. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna go over here to the back of the Camry in the trunk, which there's a light right up here. There's a little clip here, and the little cage pops down. Pull it out. Once you pulled it out, put the new one in. Alright, so last but not least, you have the license plate lights. One right there, and one right there that we have to go ahead and take off. But in order to do that, you gotta go and pull out some of these tabs so that we can get behind it. So let me get a better angle for you. That's one of them. Unplug it. The other one. Pull it down, unplug it. Alright, so now that we got the cables off, there's these wings. Just gotta push down on it, both sides, to be able to pop this out. And once that happens, just wanna slowly start wiggling it out and through the front. So now that I got it out, what I'm gonna do is just take a little flathead, pry it under here, twist it a little bit to get the head popped off, and just like that, you got the bulb. Pull it out, should be all set. Put it right in, and then move on to the next one, which is down here. Now before we put them back on, I'm going to plug them in and make sure they work. We'll go start the car real quick. Back some lights. Just snaps right back on. Get this one right here, snap this one off for us too. Okay, click there. Pull this off again because we're going to be going from the other side. Once again, just clip in. Should take care of that one. Moving on to this one. Go. Clip that in. Now that we're all set with that, let's back up. All right, so now I just want to give you a quick thing of what we did, recap. Did the Bottom of the door sills. Map lights. Dome lights. Trunk light. And also license plate lights. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a like. And of course, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I'll try to put out more of these cool Camry type videos of anything and everything that I'm sure all of us are thinking about doing to our cars here and there. But again, I'm just an average guy being able to do this right here at home, showing you some things that I've been learning along the way. Thanks again. Like and subscribe.